Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and here's how to fix a color glitch on your iPad screen. So there could be several reasons for the color glitch on your iPad. First, you need to open the settings application on your iPad, then tap on accessibility from the left-hand side of the screen. Now in the accessibility, find display and text size option and tap on it. Check if you have any filters enabled here. If you have filters turned on, they could be messing with the colors. For example, if color filters is turned on, it might be graying out the colors. So go to color filters and turn it off. And also if the classic invert is on, it will invert all the colors. So turn that off as well. Then check if it fixes the issue. If that does not work, restart your iPad, press the power button and the volume down button together to restart it. And if the problem persists, you can check for iPad updates. Go to settings, then go to the General tab, select Software Update, and if there are any update available, go ahead and install it on your iPad. You can also go to General, then scroll all the way down, and here you'll get the option to transfer or reset iPad. Select Reset, and tap on Reset All Settings. Don't worry, this won't erase your data. It will only reset any settings you might have changed that could be causing the color issue back to their default factory settings. You may need to enter your passcode to confirm it, and this often resolves the problem. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.